Hello, in this video we're gonna check performance of the charger that comes with OnePlus 11. To do this, I brought this Gosun Smart Socket, which will tell us exact statistics of a charger in the app on this phone right here. So now let's connect it to the power source. Then the charger, and lastly cable. Now I'm connecting it with this phone as well, not with OnePlus 11, but it also supports the ultra fast charging, so everything should work the same way. Go for Gosun Smart Socket, then the electric tap, and here we can see the statistics. Let's wait about 30 to 40 seconds till all of them stabilize. Okay, so all of the statistics should be stable and you can see it right here. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.